Facebook is a great platform to make money. There are many ways to make money on Facebook, and you can make money from a wide variety of sources. You can make money by advertising your business or product on Facebook, by selling products and services through Facebook, or by providing content on Facebook that other people can access and share. The 5 most effective ways to monetize Facebook are covered in this video. Number 1. Get Facebook monetization. Facebook monetization is the process of generating income from your Facebook page. There are different options to monetize your Facebook page by joining the Facebook Partner Program. You can use in-stream video ads, live events monetization, brand collaboration partnerships, star monetization, fan subscriptions, instant article monetization, and the new Facebook Reel. You must establish a Facebook page and increase your audience to a minimum threshold in order to be eligible to join the Facebook Partner Program. Number 2. Sell stuff on the Facebook Marketplace. Do you have a product or service you can sell on the Facebook Marketplace? If so, you're in luck. The Facebook Marketplace is a great place to sell products and services to Facebook friends and other online users. You can list your products and services for free, and you can also make money by charging customers for products and services. You can also dropship products using the Facebook Marketplace and profit from it. Number 3. Promote your business on Facebook groups. Facebook groups are a great way to reach a large audience quickly and easily. Not only can you promote your business to a large group of people, but you can also get feedback and advice from other businesses. When promoting your business on Facebook groups, make sure to choose the right group and write a good advertisement. Number 4. Affiliate marketing on Facebook. There are a number of reasons why Facebook is such a great platform for affiliate marketing. First and foremost, Facebook is a highly engaged platform. Users spend a lot of time on Facebook, which means that your affiliate marketing campaigns will get a lot of attention. Second, Facebook is a great platform for audience targeting. With Facebook's powerful targeting features, you can target a specific audience with your affiliate marketing campaigns. This means that you can generate a lot of leads and sales from your Facebook page and groups. Number 5. Drive traffic to your website or blog. Facebook is one of the best platforms to drive web traffic to your website or blog. You can monetize your blog or website with ads using any ad network like AdSense. It is a very easy way to earn money from Facebook. Create a page or a group related to your website and share daily content on it. Your website's URL can be shared in the post you share on the page or group. Try these methods to earn money on Facebook. It is a great way to connect with friends and family and make money. You can start by posting ads and selling products or services. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.